Hi, I'm Bianca Guerra.
And I'm Aaliyah, and today we're going to be showing you the process of the pH. Okay, so pH stands for potential hydrogen. Right here we have the pH scale. It starts at 0 and is going to end at 14. 0 meaning that it's more acidic, 14 is going to be considered a base, and 7 is going to be neutral. We listed some examples of an acid and a base. An example for an acid is going to be lemon with pH of 2, and then we're going to have an example of a base that's going to be bleaches with a pH of 13.5, and distilled water is going to be an example of neutral with a pH of 7.
Okay, I'm gonna go a little bit more into detail. Your bases are proton acceptors. I'm sorry. They have low hydrogen plus positive hydrogen, but they do have a high concentration of oxygen and hydrogen compound. Acids are proton donors. Tells you in the name, give away protons. Gonna go more into detail with some buffers. Okay, so these buffers, they're weak acids or weak bases. Buffers can go with, they also are named hydrogen ion buffers, or they can also be called pH buffers. Since, considering that pH numbers will always be hydrogen ions. What buffers do is that they neutralize excessive acid. If it's too much acid, what they'll do is they'll be able to tone it down, I guess you can say, maintain a constant pH. A good example of a buster sodium, depending on the liquids, of course, sodium may not always be the best buffer for this. Then we're going to go to Chatellier's principle. This is a formula that we have here. We have nitrogen, hydrogen, and then we have the formula for ammonia. As you can see, on this, it's basically balanced out. It's a balanced state. But you can also move it around. If you need to remove 2 nitrogens, let's say, from there, you add it over here, but some things will go over there just to kind of give it a balance, keep it offset. Then we'll go into your pKa's.
Okay, so pKa stands for protein kinase A. It's basically the measurement of acid, and the smaller the pKa, the more acidic.
So yes, this is just a little crash course on pH or buffers, the Chatelier principle, and pKa, as she told you. Thank you for watching.